how to transfer all contact for your iPhone to your new phone. For that you need to open your contact option, then you can see the list option, then here you can see all contact, or you can set only Gmail or iCloud, anything. For example, I need to send all contact, press on export. Now select the option that you want to select. Now here you can see lot of option, message option, mail option, WhatsApp. So I need to send it to your email account. Enter the email account and press on contact and press on send. And once mail sent, then go back to your other mobile and check your inbox. Then here you can see my email is come. Now press on this download button and you can see all of your contact. Press on import. Now select your phone or your mail address, anything. Press on import. Now go back to your contact, then you can see all of your contact is available now. That's it. Thank you. Don't forget to thumbs up. Have a good day.